Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I use multiple Twitter accounts to auto post in community. So this is my software that I use. So first, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Twitter account. So you can see I have multiple Twitter accounts here. So I can choose the account that I want and log in. So you can see the software will auto open the browser like this, and we will auto log in to the account that I select. So you can manage it and use this. In each in each browser, you can zoom in and use this just like a normal browser. Okay, to auto post in community, you will need a content. So I will go to content management. So you can add and manage your content in here, just one. So you can add the content just only word, or add the content with the image or video in here. You can choose your video or image. Okay, after you have content, I will go to viral marketing. So you can see here we have many options like bot tweet, join community, seeding tweet. Seeding it means you how to like, how to comment, how to retweet some tweet that you want, or rep by comment or send message. So I will choose post tweet to community. So we will set up the configuration. So first I will set up number of threads. Number of threads is mean number of account running at the same time. And number of community each account will spot. I will set up one. And number of posts will be posted in each community. And I will set up one too. Next is the break interval time. I will set up from 15 to 20 seconds. Next, you can choose the time to post. You can choose to post the community that you already joined or the specified community, and you can enter the link of community in here. Next, you can choose do not duplicate community post or auto join the community that you not joined it. Next, I will select the post that I already add in the content management. Next, I will select the account that I want to post in the community. Okay, after everything set up, I will restart and let the software do the work. So you can see the software will auto open browser like this, and we will auto log into the account that I select, and we will find the community that I with the link that I add to the software, and we will auto post to the community. So basically, as I show you how I use multiple Twitter account to auto post in community. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me to my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.